Myself, Dr. Nilima Shisode. I have invented this diagnosis tool for Ayurveda. It's a very useful tool for Ayurvedic doctors who don't want to use too much records in their clinic, and the paper-free clinic they can achieve with this software. Dr. Vaidya Mava Kulladkar, M.V. Kulladkar, who was my guru. I used to practice in his clinic. Unfortunately, he left us very early, but I use his case paper for my clinic only. So to avoid the burden of papers in clinic, I decided to compile that case paper in a software. So my brother developed his diagnostics tool for Ayurvedic people. So it is developed by Prashant Devre, and the concept was of mine, Dr. Nilima Shisode. So this is the first page of your case paper. It is a customized. The design you can customizedly prepare, and the logo or the clinic name it can be customized for yourself. Then when you will click this page, you will find a username. It will be your own username. As my initials are NRS, I have kept this, and then you can write your password. It should be rightly done. If the password is invalid, then it will not allow you to open the software. In this way you can open your software. Now you can see on the top of the page your clinic name is there, then my logo is there, my website address is there. Then this is a general info page. If you want to do new patients data entry, then you have to click on this. So there will be, when you will select the system of that particular patient, if I have a patient of respiratory system, then I will click over here. Then automatically ID number will be created. Then you will write full name, male, female, email address. Here only this next is you can only select, but here you have to write the email address. Then address you will write. Age you don't have to write. For age, what you will do, when you will write birth date, then automatically age will come there. Then write down phone number, mobile number, birthplace, and education. Education also you can select like this. Then profession also you can select, and if profession is not mentioned here, then you can write here and then put enter button, so it will be entered forever like this. Then save this page. Then so if although the software is very large or lengthy, you can say, because all things are accommodated in that, but it is not necessary to fill all the pages of the software. You can write only general info and visit details. This page is a compulsory page. Here you can write if the patient need reimbursement or not, so that afterwards if you have to give him any certificate or like that, then you can do that. Then prime important complaints, then simple complaints, and the previous history of any disease or medicine also you can write here. Then you can select for how many days you are giving him medicine. If it is for 10 days, automatically the appointment date will be shown here. The time also you can select, or automatically it will say you select the current time. So save this button. This is a very compulsory, because when you will save this page, then only the ID will be created against that patient's name. Then after this, you can again write the next thing, that is a Srotas Parikshan you can do. For Srotas Parikshan, this is Pranavaha, means respiratory system, all the symptoms of the respiratory system, and the symptoms which are narrated in our text are shown here. Here Shwasa, Pranava Srotas symptoms are there. Abhishna Palpa means small respiratory cycles, and all these things you can select here and write here. Then after that, Annavaha, that is a digestive system. All these are also the symptoms as narrated in our text. Then Udakavaha Srotas, then Rasavaha Srotas, then Raktavaha Srotas, then Mansavaha Srotas, Medovaha Srotas. Then in Medovaha, obesity and diabetes, these two factors are there. For obesity, the symptoms of obesity, here you will write height and weight of the patient. Automatically BMI you can see, body fat percentage, body water percentage, bone mass, all these things you can write. And then if you take abdominal girth, 2 inch above umbilicus and 2 inch below umbilicus and at the level of umbilicus, all here you can write. So it will be saved against this particular date and time of that patient. If you have a diabetic patient, then this all the symptomatology of the diabetes is narrated here. Here you can feel his symptoms. Then next is a Asthivaha, the bone tissue. In this also, there's all the things where the pain is located, which is the affected area, and all these things you can select, and the symptoms also you can select. And also hair is also on the same page, because as per Ayurveda, hair is a upadhatu of a asti. So all these things are narrated here. Then after that is a Majjabha Srotas. Majjabha symptoms are here. Then Shukravha. In Shukravha, all the symptoms related to Shukra Dhatu and the symptoms related to the reproductive system, both are given here. You can select appropriate one. Then Malavaha Srotas. This Malavaha, most probably the affected Srotas, and the Malovaha, Mutravaha and Manovaha Srotas, at least these three, and the affected Srotas, which you think that in that particular patient the affected Srotas is that you should feel, then it will be good for your data to extract. Then Mutravaha Srotas, this is symptoms of the Mutravaha Srotas, burning, micturition and all these things. Then Svedavaha Srotas. Then Manovaha is important, because most of the time body diseases or physical diseases are due to the mental factors. So major stress factor, tension, fear, depression. To find out the cause of that mental, you can do that. And again, for students is grasping power and understanding, all these factors are also given here that you can save. Every time when you will feel this information, you have to save that information. Then you will go for the routine and diet. So here the daily what the patient is performing, his daily things, that is here. So at what time he woke up, at what time he sleep, and he do any exercise, then which kind of exercise or at what time he is doing. All these things are here. You can select that. Then if how is his work style, is it sedentary or physical exertion is there, if he has any mental stress, if he is going for shift duty. Then this are about his hunger, kshuddha, then time of breakfast, time of lunch and dinner. They are very important for us. Then we will go for this dietary finding. In dietary finding, different categories are there. In different categories, so bakery product, which bakery product he is taking, here you can select that, and in which quantity, for how many days, and then when you will enter it, you can see them here. So there are many things are there. Kapha provoking things means in which quantity rice he is taking, sugar, in which quantity, how many times a week. All these things we have to write here, but it becomes very easy. All these things are as per our Vaidya Kolhatkar sir's case paper. Instead of asking about stale or leftover, I ask like this: prepared before 6 to 8 hours, means cooked before 6 to 8 hours, and he is taking which things he is taking, rice, chapati or curry, like this, in which quantity and how many times a week. How many times a week is also very important, because by observing its frequency we can come to some conclusion. Then contradictory food, vidai food, sprouts and all these things are there. After this, this is also food products causing specific disease. Why this is here is to remember. Add food products which cause specific disease for the patient. For patient also you can write here, and you can save against this patient. Or if you want to use system with details, then here you can see that for respiratory system, origins are these, and this, all these are its causative factor. Then you can select these factors, and remaining you can erase. And so in this patient, whichever factor you found, that you can select simply, and that you can save against that patient's ID. And if you want to add some more other causes of that specific disease, then here you can write this disease name or something, whichever you want, and the causes which are described in granthas, and that also you can save. It will be your customized cause detecting facility. So this you can modify. Then after that, physical examination is there. In physical examination, first is the general examination. In general examination, pulse, BP, weight, chest examination, abdomen examination, other specific findings. Here in abdomen examination, you can select particular color for particular thing, and you can move. Then here other specific findings, if you want to specify that also you can write. Or bad habits, if the patient have alcohol, cigarette or something like that, that also you can, and then save against that patient. Next one is a Ashtavidha Nadi Mutra Mala Jiva Shabda Sparsha Druk Akruti, that also you can do. Then Dashavidha also you can do. Dushyam Desham Balam Kala Anala Prakruti Vaya Sattva Satma Tathara Avastacha Prathakvidha. It is a Prakriti, but very few points are here. It's 12 or 14 points are there. Depending upon that, you can decide your Prakriti. It is not a Prakriti tool, so it is in a very short manner. Then this is a investigation 1. Here all the blood tests are narrated and urine examination. Here you can attach the report from your computer. If reports are saved in your computer, then you can attach them from here. Here you will, like this, you will attach them like this, and then you can save them. So if it's correct, then only it will get attached. Then save it like this. Then next one is investigation 2. Investigation 2, X-ray, abdomen, UHG abdomen, ECG, then 2D echo, MRI, or other investigations. All this you can write here, or you can attach also your reports here if they are saved in your computer like this. Then next one is a diagnosis. Here hetu you can write, or you can select from the previous one. As you will start writing, then you will find the hetus. Then purva rupa, then rupa also you can write, samprapti, whichever you write, you can write here, samprapti. Then which doshas are vitiated in this particular case, the combination of dosha which you can select, and which dosha are vitiated here, that combinations also you can select. Then final diagnosis you can write here. Some diagnoses are there, but if you have some different diagnosis, then that also you can enter here like this. Then next is a treatment plan. In short, treatment plan you can write, and then you can save this. Then photo information also you can do. Against that particular visit ID, purpose of photo for skin or for hair before, then you can select these photos, and like this, and after also you can select from this like this, and then you can save them like this. Okay, this is the photo information. After that, you have done all the physical examination. Now treatment details. So all these pages are related to all the panchakarma, vamana, gruta in which quantity, hunger after how many hours, steam bath have you done, abhyangam, all these things, pavamana. This is chatan material what you have used, extra material or extra information. All these things you can write daily, and in after all the snehapana of 3 to 7 days, and all these things, or vamana on 9 days, or when you have done all information, you can see the single glance like this. Vamana, Virechana, Basti, Rakta Mokshana, Nasya, Dharasved, allied therapies. If extra some therapies you are doing, that also you can write here, right over here. Okay. Then after finishing this treatment, you can go for this medicines. In medicines also you can select the category, powder, in which powder you are giving, in which dose, and in which kala, and which quantity, then add. So you can see them here. If you want to add some new medicines, here you can add. If you want to view medicine, which medicines stock you have, all these things you can see here. Then you can go to accounts. So this is a patient ID, patient name will appear here, then at what date, which amount, total, how much he paid, and how much remained, all these things you can see here. And details of fees also you can see. When you add patient ID number, then all will appear here. I will show you the previous patient, then you can better understand. If you put here date, then the account for that particular date you can see over here. So for this particular period, whichever is applicable, you can see that over here like this. The ID number, name, then date of visit, for what reason he had paid you, and total amount and paid amount. All these things you can see here. And the total balance also you can see here like this. So after that, there are some requirements like that. We need list of patient's appointment. So here you can select the date, and then you can see whichever appointments are there like this. Then you may need list of birthdays on that particular date. That also you can see like this. Then you may need list of patients. That also appear like this, and you can export it to Excel, so you will have the complete list of that patient. Then also list of HER2 diagnosis treatment. That also some try was done to extract the data. If you need some more extraction, then that also we can do. All medicines list is here. Also list of below stock medicine is here. Like this it will appear. Then list of above stock medicine, that also we can do like this. So all these things are done here. Now I want to show you the particular thing about if you want to exit, then you can exit like this. Yes, then software will be closed. But if you want to see the old patient, then also visit existing patients data. Here you can identify it by ID number, but you will not remember ID number, so you can identify by name also like this, or phone number also, or mobile number, or email, whichever you remember. By all names you can select that patient. So here like this you can select that particular patient, and here appear all the dates when the patient visited you. Like this, if you selected that particular date, then you can see all the information of that particular patient on that date. Visit details, then Srotas Pariksha, then routine if you have done physical examination, patients, all information if you want in a one glance. Then like this is the first page information. Then this is the information of visit, which are complaints on that particular visit. All these things will appear here. All these things will be here. This is appointment date, next appointment time, all this thing. General examination data is here. This BP in every visit, weight in every visit, and all these things will appear here. Or if you want investigations in all date, that will appear here. Then here medicines also you can see. So information at one glance you can see here. And if you see medicines, then it will appear like this also, and that particular day medicine, it will appear here like this. So this is a user friendly, very easy to use software. If you like this, then please tell me.